Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at the Mondeo, the Mk4 Mondeo, and we've got a problem with the door alignment. I'll just step out the car a minute. I'll show you what's going on. So when the door closes, so the alignment is a little bit out here, and then it gets okay here. So I think we need to kind of try and pull this door out a little bit if possible. So we're going to just have a look at that. I think the car's been in a little bit of a bump at some point in its life before I had it. So what I'm going to try and do here is see if I can gently push the door out a little bit. It might take a little bit of time, but literally I'm just going to use a chunk of wood here and kind of put that up there like that, and then by closing the door on the wood, hopefully it will push it out. It's going to take some time, so just bear with me on this one. And as well, the door does go up and down here. A little bit of play. But we'll see what we can do. See if we can align it at all. So we've tried a couple of attempts with the wood up here, and we're going to now try with the wood down here, and then just put the door to gently, and then just keep on working that for a few minutes and see if that makes a difference. Okay, we'll try the door. So I've just been working it for a few minutes, and that's not bad. That's not bad at all. We'll see where it goes on the striker. You see that? I hope it's in focus. Yeah, the striker's just out of focus, isn't it? But there we are. That's pretty good. That's pretty much near perfect, actually. We've still got this little gap, not perfect here, but at some point got to touch up this paintwork a little bit, and probably do that another day. But for now, yeah, this door is working wonders. So it's a good little tip, and there we are. Yeah, that's amazing. That's not, before it was snagging just a little bit. It wasn't true on the catch, and you can see there's a little bit of scoring on there. But I'm quite happy with that. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch up with you very soon. Take care.